So what's up guys, I'm Mesh from TechMesh and hope you are doing well. So today I will show you how to recover deleted or formatted data from SD card for free. It happened to most of us. You delete a file from an SD card and then you realize you need it back. This tutorial will explain when you can get that file back and how to go about it. And before getting started, a quick shout out to our sponsor of this video, iBoysoft Data Recovery, and I will talk about their free data recovery software later in this video. So let's get started, shall we? So the most common question is it possible to recover deleted files from an SD card? So let me answer that question. Logically, deleted files can remain resident on your SD card for an extended period of time based on your computer's uses. The operating system logically deletes file and makes its previous storage as available for reuse. The file is physically available until the time that the operating system actually overwrites it with new data. Even though you can no longer access it through Windows Explorer, this makes it possible to recover permanently deleted files from an SD card. This also gives us a few guidelines that we should really pay attention to. The first one is to stop using your SD card. This will prevent any further corruption or deletion of the files that we are trying so hard to recover. Secondly, it would also be a good idea to unplug from your computer. Again, this kind of goes along with the first point. It just forces you to stop using the drive and make sure that nothing will go into the drive or come out the drive, thus greatly increasing the probability that you are able to get your files back. So the first method to recover your file is that check the recycle bin. So just let me go to my SD card. Here, as you can see, this is my SD card, and then if I go here is a file. Just let me open the file for you. So as you can see, this is the file. Okay, so now I will just delete it. Okay, just click on yes, and we have deleted our file. So if the file in question was deleted recently, then it may be in recycle bin where it is easily retrieved. To restore deleted file, follow this step. Just double click on your recycle bin and check that if the file is available here or not. So as you can see that our file is not available in the recycle bin. So in your case, if you find your file in recycle bin, then you can just easily restore them. So for example, if this was your file, then just right click on here and click on restore to restore your file, or you can also drag it to your desktop to restore it. And if you also can't find the files in recycle bin like me, then just follow the next method. The next method will be for you. So the next method is use free data recovery software. If you can't find any files in recycle bin, you may need a data recovery software. I recommend iBoysoft Data Recovery as data recovery tool. Just let me show you. So it is a comprehensive data recovery application which makes use of advanced algorithm to scan any storage media for deleted files that can be recovered. Its deep scanning mode will scavenge your disk for fragments of file that can be reconstructed long after they have been deleted from the SD card. iBoysoft Data Recovery is a free and powerful data recovery software. It is available for both Windows and Mac version. iBoysoft Data Recovery can recover more than 400 different files formats, including photos, documents, videos, email, and audios. It can also recover permanently deleted files, recover lost file from formatted, raw, unreadable, corrupted, inaccessible SD card, etc. In addition to SD cards, iBoysoft Data Recovery also support multiple medias like SSDs, hard disks, external hard disks, USB flash drive, memory card, CF cards, etc. So first of all, head down to the link in the description where you can download this software. So after coming to this link, then just click on free download, and I have already downloaded it and installed it. And after installing it, then just connect your SD card to your computer. Okay, just let me show you. As you can see, I have just right now connected my SD card to my computer, and then just launch the iBoysoft Data Recovery software that you have just installed. And then here just select the SD card, select your SD card. For example, the H drive is my SD card. Okay, So after selecting your SD card, then you can see here and tick option deep scan. So if you want to deep scan to find more files, but it would take more time, and if you don't want to deep scan, then you can just unselect it and then just click on next. So for this video I will just click on this deep scan and then click on next. So now you can see that our scanning has been completed. So if you just click on volume here, and then we can see that all of our deleted files are here. So if we want to restore our deleted files, you can just select one by one. Just let me show you, or you can also select all of them at once to recover it. So for this video purpose, like we have deleted this file, test file by TechMesh. So just select this one and then just click on recover, and you can obviously choose your destination. So just let me choose the desktop here and then just click on OK, and as you can see the data is recovered successfully. So let's check if our data is recovered successfully or not. So as you can see, this is in our desktop. So just open this file and let's see if it actually recovered the file properly or not. So you can see that this is the file we deleted earlier. So that's it. Hope you like this video. If you do, then please hit the like button. If you face any problem or if you have any suggestion, then let me know that in the comment section below. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more future videos like this one. So I'm Mesh from TechMesh and I'm signing out.